Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today, I'll be sharing the recipe of Methi Chaman, a popular dish from the Kashmiri cuisine. To begin, clean and wash 2 cups each of fenugreek and spinach leaves. Blanch them in boiling water. Remove them into a bowl with ice cold water so that they retain color. Drain and puree into a smooth paste and keep aside. Heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil to smoking point and let it cool. Add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera, whole garam masala including 3 cloves, 5 peppercorns, 1 inch piece of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom and 5 green cardamoms and 2 bay leaves. Add in 1 medium onion finely chopped and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Saute. The classic recipe does not include onions, but I add them for added texture and flavor. If you want, you can leave them out. Add in 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida hing and mix well. Next, add in the pureed fenugreek and spinach. Mix well and saute for a minute or 2. Now add in a teaspoon of sugar. This ensures that the gravy retains its color. Add in the dry masalas: 1 teaspoon cumin powder jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander powder dhania, 1 teaspoon fennel powder saunf, half teaspoon ginger powder saunt, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder haldi. Mix well and saute for a few minutes. Cover with a lid and cook until the liquid dries up. Once the oil starts appearing on the sides, add in about half a cup of water. You can use this water to rinse the blender jar. Mix well. Once the gravy starts to bubble, add in about 200 grams of paneer cut into cubes. Mix until the pieces are well coated. Cover with a lid and cook some more so that the paneer soaks in the flavors. Finally, add in 2 tablespoons of cream and mix well. Saute for a minute. Adjust the gravy as required. Methi Chaman is ready to serve. Serve hot with parathas or naans. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.